equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your Lenovo Y70 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a large rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a can of compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard by carefully lifting the connector. Make sure to pull it straight out to avoid damaging the pins. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our team can assist you with this process. Once the battery is disconnected, remove any screws securing it in place. After removing these screws, gently lift the battery out of the laptop. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard by aligning the connector and pushing it firmly into place. Ensure it's seated correctly to avoid any power issues later on. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop anywhere. After reconnecting the battery, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Finally, power on your Lenovo Y70 to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your laptop battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get the help you need right at home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.